Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 3.2's third question. The third subdivision in this question is what we will see how to solve in this video. Now let us look at the sum first. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problem and find the solution by substitution method. The problem is the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So first of all, as usual, we are going to define the variables that we are going to use in this problem. So I'm going to define XB, cost of a bat. Okay, so this is how I'm going to define the variable X. So YB, the cost of a ball. So I've now that defined the variables. Let's see how to form the equations. So it says that coach of the team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. So 7 into X plus 6 into Y is equal to 3,800 rupees. Now let us look at the other condition. She buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750. So this means 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. And this time also they insisted the method to be substitution method. So I'm going to take one expression, write the value of the variable in others. So let's take this expression. 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. So 6y is equal to 3,800 minus 7x. So y is equal to 3,800 minus 7x divided by 6. So this value of y, I'm going to substitute it in this equation. So let's do that. 3x plus 5 into, instead of y, I'm putting this whole big expression, 3,800 minus 7x divided by 6 is equal to 1,750. Now let us do a term-wise multiplication with respect to 5. So what is it going to be? This is 3x plus 5 into 3,800. It is going to be 0 and 0. 8 5s are 44. 5 3s are 15 plus 4, 19. So this is going to be 19,000 minus 35x divided by 6 is equal to 1750. Now let's take the LCM. So 6 into 3 is 18. So 18x plus 19,000 minus 35x, the whole thing divided by 6 is equal to 1,750. Now take the 6 the other side. So it is 18x plus 19,000 minus 35x is equal to 1,750 into 6, which is 10,500. Now you can simplify this 18x minus 35x. So let's calculate what is that particular value here. So 18x minus 35x is going to be equal to minus 17x. So minus 17x is equal to, I'm taking this 19,000 the other side, which means it is going to become negative. Why? 10,500 minus 19,000. That is what you need to calculate, which is minus 8,500. So the negative sign and the negative sign will go. X is equal to 8,500 divided by 17. 17 5s are 85. So this is X is going to be equal to 500. Now I'm going to take this value of X. I'm going to substitute in any one of the equations. So I have taken this particular equation to substitute. So 3 into X. So this is going to be 3 into 500 plus 5y is equal to 1750. So 3 into 500 is 1500. So 5y is equal to 1750 minus 1500, which is going to be 250. So 5y is equal to 250 means y is equal to 50. Remember, this is a word problem. So we are going to say cost of bat is equal to rupees 500 and cost of one ball is equal to rupees 50. So close your answer with this word statement. And you can also cross verify and check whether you've got your answers right. So how do you cross verify? You can substitute the values in both the equations. So 500 into 7 will be 3500 plus 6 into 50 is 300. So 3500 plus 300 is 3800. So the first equation condition matches. Now let's try the second equation. 500 into 3 is 1500 plus 5 into 50 is going to be 250. So 1500 plus 250 is 1750. So if we have substituted the value in both the equations, we are seeing that the condition matches. So we know that the answer that the bat's cost is 500 and the ball's cost is 50 is correct. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fourth subdivision in this particular question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.